Hi everyone, welcome back to Fit Recipes. Today we are preparing a high protein peri peri soya chunks recipe which contains roughly 60 to 70 grams of proteins. Boil the soya chunks in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow the chunks to cool, then squeeze out all excess water thoroughly. In a bowl, take around 100 gram of curd and add 2 spoons of gram flour, peri peri masala, salt and ginger garlic paste. Whisk the mixture until smooth using a whisker. Then add the squeezed soya chunks. Mix well to ensure the chunks are evenly coated on all sides with the marinade. Set them aside and let it get marinated for 15 to 20 minutes. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of cold press oil of your choice and heat it until shimmering. Add the marinated soya chunks. Roast the chunks on all sides until they turn golden brown and slightly crispy. Then set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of cold pressed oil along with sliced onions and zucchini. Saute the veggies and season them with salt and black pepper powder. Add green or colored bell peppers of your choice. Cover the pan and cook them for a few minutes until the vegetables are tender but still have a bit of crunch. Add the roasted soya chunks back into the pan and sprinkle with final dash of peri peri masala for extra punch. Your high protein peri peri soya chunks are ready. Serve them hot and enjoy.